Why I always want to be in the woods somewhere. What's up, my beautiful souls? As you can tell by the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down, girl. So I just left my consultation for laser hair removal. So she told me that I am right on the cusp of what she would work on, but she said that if she couldn't provide the best service for me, then she wasn't going to, give me service like at all, basically. And I respect that. I appreciate that, because she said, girl, it's not your coin, basically. And so I have to find someone with she said an ND YAG, which would be better for my skin and my hair follicles or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do. But right now we are at a nature park here in Duncanville, because I didn't want to go all the way back to Fort Worth, Texas, because what's the reason, girl? Oh, I'm so ashy. Oh, I need some lotion. Girl, look at my elbows. Oh. But yes, so we are at a nature park. Girl, I don't really too much know about this because it's they watch for wildlife. Girl, I know snakes and stuff is everywhere, but baby, do I got some Timberlands or something? I was going to come out here in some pumps. But girl, let's get to this trail walk. See you in a bit. Hold on, let me put my keys up just in case I gotta run and I don't drop them, girl. I stay with a fanny pack on me. I don't care what nobody says. Call me old, but I'm gonna be old with all my belongings. Okay, so listen. First things first. Watch for wildlife, okay? We're not trying to see her. We're not trying to see her. We can deal with her. We can deal with her. We're definitely not trying to run into her, okay? We don't want to see her either, okay? Girl, this is natural. They be everywhere. I mean, all of this is natural, but girl, I can fight her. Her and her, we don't want no parts. So without further ado, I am the only car out here. I was trying to play it safe and be out here with all the other cars out here. There were like 4 cars out here. But the girl was on the phone getting a hookup because, we sick of this. We're sick of her. We're sick of her. She got to go. She got to go. So the girl was on the phone with Ideal Image getting all of her... What footprint is that, girl? See, this is... You see that? You see that? Why I always want to be in the woods somewhere. Ancestors, spirit guides, listen, we don't have time. We have a facial hair removal appointment tomorrow. Please let me make it. But as I was saying, I was on the phone with the girls from Ideal Image. Love their energy, by the way. And I was getting my ones together. So, yeah. Girl, normally I would come out here to this place with my friend Mario, but he done moved. And so I have to come on these little excursions by myself. Girl, listen, I'm not trying to... Maybe if I make a lot of noise, you think that'll draw them to me or make them run? Because I'm out here by myself. But I'm not scary. So we about to hit this. There's quite a few noises being made that I ain't never heard before. I ain't doing it by myself. Call me a coward if you want to, girl. Mm-mm. No, ma'am. I am a fat, juicy burger to something that could eat me. We'll find somewhere else to go, girl, because this is not the judge. This is not the vibe. I love my life. My life, my life, my life, my life. We ain't doing it. Maybe we'll go around the other way. Let's go around the other way, because I ain't no wussy. I'm not no wussy. And I want to walk this trail. I need to get my big back behind out of that car. We're gonna try this way. I don't know if y'all can see it. I think y'all can, but we're gonna go this way. Let me watch my step. Cause why couldn't there be no more humans out here? When y'all had to leave? Dang. I don't want to die alone. At least I could, you know. I started to say something. Girl, this is like the woods. This is the woods. Look at this. Oh, there are other humans. Okay, period. I'm not scared no more. Let me ask them if they've encountered any wildlife out here. Ooh, what was that? Girl. My scary self. I see you all have walking sticks. Should I have one?
It's convenient.
It just depends on your preference.
Some areas it helps too.
Some areas have like a steep kind of downhill.
Okay, so y'all don't have those for animals, for wildlife.
I haven't seen any wildlife in here.
Okay.
Except for like a couple armadillos.
Okay, I can deal with armadillos. All right, y'all have a good one. Whew. I think I must follow the yellow brick road because I don't want to get lost. Wait a minute. So should we go this way or should we hit this one here? Let's go this way. Baby, I feel like Alice in Wonderland. Going down the rabbit hole. I'm not trying to go too far in here because I would hate to get lost. Oh, look at the butterfly. Oh, y'all probably missed it. But I would hate to get lost in these woods. And I know they say the wildlife see you before you see them. But baby, I need us to see each other first so I can go ahead and be respectful like the sign said and turn my fat ass around. Oh, baby, this is a hill. Y'all look. Somebody made a little fairy grove. Isn't that so cute? You gotta be careful with fairies because they can be tricksters. And I know a lot of y'all don't believe in this stuff, girl. But I do. Whew. Woo! I'm talking about some. I don't want to go that far in. But baby, I just keep walking. I think if I get to a part where I see that it veers off into two different paths, if there's anything like that out here, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around. Because I would hate to not know where the heck I'm going. But this is so whimsical. I like this. Me and Maria Sinclair gonna have to come out here together. There ain't no, I want to find some water or something, like a nice little lake. But I'm not trying to be out here that far. I hear the cars over there. As long as I hear them close by, that's all that matters. Oh, I'm sweating. Whew. You know, maybe it makes a complete circle. Bitch. No. Whew, look at this. It's not that big of a hill, but let's tackle it. We're gonna hit this hill, and then we're gonna head back to the car. I keep saying we're gonna head back to the car. And then we don't. Okay. Just a little bit further. And then we'll head back to the car for real. Look at that. I said if we came across something that veers and goes two separate ways, we were gonna turn back around and go to the car, right? Look at this. You got it going this way, and then you got it going this way. We are gonna turn back around and go that way. Because these ain't my neck of the woods. These ain't my forest. Sasquatch ain't about to get me. No meow. No ham, no turkey, no beef jerky. We're gonna play it smart and safe. We're gonna get out of here. Do I got service? Girl, I don't even know if I got service to call 911 in case I get lost within a little bit of time that we've been in here. Woo! Girl, my YouTube name is not Nature Girl. I love the nature, I do. We work together in unison and in sync. But baby, if my intuition telling me to turn my ass around, guess what I'm gonna do? You already know. You see, you hear that noise? See, I don't be liking them little bugs. They be making that sound. That is not it to me. I don't like that. Whew. But I'm gonna meet y'all back at the car. Girl, that was nice, girl. Or whatever have you. But I'm used to the waves being paved with cement, girl. It was cute, but that was a little too woodsy for me. I need to be where the people are. Baby, after I turned that camera around to head on back to the car, I was a little scared. My anxiety had started to go. But baby, I would do it again, but I would definitely do it with a friend. I wouldn't be by myself. Because when I seen that sign that said all them wildlife are out there, which is expected, like, you're in nature, you're in their habitat, so it's expected for wildlife to be there. But by myself, if you ever see me in the forest fighting a grizzly bear, help me. Help me. Girl, I'm not built for that type of stuff. Yes, I am. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you found yourself on this here page, that just means that the light drew you here. All right. Bye, girl.